What is Firebase? Firebase is a comprehensive mobile and web application development platform owned by Google. It provides a wide range of backend services and tools that help developers build, deploy, and scale their applications more efficiently. Firebase offers various features and services that simplify common development tasks and eliminate the need for managing complex infrastructure. Benefits of using Firebase. There are several benefits to using Firebase for mobile and web application development. Easy integration. Firebase offers a wide range of backend services that are tightly integrated with each other. This means that you can seamlessly incorporate features like authentication, real-time database, cloud storage, and push notifications into your app without the need for complex setup or third-party integrations. Real-time updates. Firebase's real-time database and Firestore provide real-time synchronization, allowing data changes to be instantly propagated to connected clients. This makes it ideal for applications that require real-time collaboration or live updates, such as chat apps, collaborative editing tools, or multiplayer games. Scalability. Firebase is built on Google Cloud Platform, which means it benefits from Google's robust infrastructure. As your user base grows, Firebase automatically scales to handle increased traffic and data storage needs, ensuring that your app remains performant and reliable. No server management. With Firebase, you don't have to worry about managing servers or infrastructure. Firebase takes care of server maintenance, security, and scaling for you, allowing you to focus on building your app and delivering great user experiences. Authentication and user management. Firebase Authentication provides built-in support for various authentication methods, including email, password, social logins, and phone number authentication. It handles user management, authentication workflows, and secure token generation, making it easy to implement secure user authentication in your app. Cloud Functions. Firebase Cloud Functions allows you to run server-side code in a scalable and event-driven manner. You can write custom backend logic, integrate with third-party services, or automate tasks based on Firebase events. This helps offload processing tasks from the client side and enables you to create powerful and dynamic app experiences. Testing and app distribution. Firebase Test Lab allows you to test your app on real devices in the cloud, enabling you to identify issues and ensure compatibility across different platforms and device configurations. Firebase also offers app distribution services, making it easier to distribute pre-release versions of your app for testing and gathering user feedback. Analytics and performance monitoring. Firebase provides robust analytics features that help you gain insights into user behavior, measure app performance, and make data-driven decisions. You can track user engagement, retention, conversion rates, and more. Additionally, Firebase offers performance monitoring tools to identify and address app performance issues. Extensive documentation and community support. Firebase has comprehensive documentation, code samples, and tutorials that make it easy to get started and learn how to use its features effectively. Additionally, Firebase has an active community of developers who share their experiences, tips, and solutions, providing valuable support and resources. Cost-effective. Firebase offers a generous free tier with usage limits, allowing developers to start using Firebase at no cost. As your app grows, Firebase offers flexible pricing plans based on usage, ensuring that you only pay for the resources you need. Overall, Firebase provides a powerful and integrated platform that simplifies the development process, accelerates time to market, and enables you to build high-quality apps with rich features and real-time capabilities.